Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Google Pixel 7a, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad tips for this device. On the third place in my top is Niagara launcher, so just find Niagara on the Play Store and install it. Sorry, I need to connect my Pixel to the charging. Great. Click open. Agree and continue. Choose your favorite apps, and great, as you can see, I have installed Niagara launcher. So why I like this launcher is because here I have alphabetical line to easily and fast find any applications. It's really minimalistic. We have no any inane things on this launcher, so I think it's a really great launcher for your device if you need to be focused. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Find it and install. Then click open, get started, I agree, confirm, continue while using the app, hello, confirm. Click on the cross in the right top corner, and great. So as you can see, here we have Smart Launcher, and it's really beautiful. We have here minimalistic icons. We have here beautiful main menu with apps grouping feature. It's really a great feature. And here we have wallpapers gallery. So we have really great wallpapers gallery. I suggest to try it. If you don't like this launcher, you will like this wallpapers gallery. Right, as you can see, now I have really great, beautiful wallpapers. And on the first place in my top, of course, is Pixel theme. Pixel theme is really beautiful. It's like a normal Android theme, but here we have bigger icons. Here we can set up accent, and it's really fast. So I am always giving the Microsoft launcher on the first place, and I seen always that Microsoft launcher is the best launcher for every device, but not for this device. Unfortunately, Microsoft launcher is not too good works with this Pixel device, and Pixel launcher is really great. It's minimalistic. We have no too much features here, but we have several features. So here we can swipe from up to down in any place to open the control panel. Here we have minimalistic main menu with fast search and with the voice search, of course. If you don't like that you need to swipe up, then search applications here, you can, for example, I want to open Pix Wallpapers app, okay? So just write Pix, and as you can see here is Pix Wallpapers app. So it works really great. It's not just a simple Android launcher. It's Pixel launcher. This is another thing, I think, and it works really great. So I hope this video was helpful for you. I like this launcher, of course. After time, this launcher will start to annoy me, but now I like it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.